the shell. With this tool, all you need to do is select a face, and you'll see that face appears in this box over here. This is the Faces to Remove box. If we tick this Show Preview, it will actually show you yellow lines to indicate where the material is going to be removed. Let's change this dimension to 3 millimeters. Clicking anywhere outside to make that preview appear, and when you are happy with what you see, you just click the tick. And now you can see we have hollowed out that, and we have a box.